What? Hey, buddy. What? You're just, you can't just attack it from the bottom willy nilly. You were doing fine before. Just eat it like a like a normal human man. Are you?
What are you, a hot dog place?
Are you new to eating?
I love that shirt.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's confident. You got like a confidence thing.
I have a confidence thing?
Yeah, like everybody. You know what I mean? Excuse me, ladies. I think she has like a confidence thing.
Sorry, he's a crazy person. I don't know him.
You do.
It's funny though, because this was like an ordeal. You know, it's like every time I get dressed, I have to confront like, what does this say about me? Because I have stuff going on in here, and I need my shirt to be a reflection of that.
That's a lot of responsibility for a shirt.
Yeah, well, I probably don't need to tackle the meaning of life every time I make a decision about clothes.
I actually relate to that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it takes me like half an hour every morning just to decide what to wear.
Oh, because I thought this was a terrible, terrible accident.
No, this is a conscious decision. I'm completely bananas.
You're funny.
Yeah.